Hello everyone, Julia here, hello from Sweden and welcome to a new video. And in today's video I want to make a few collages in my passport size nature journal. Mostly I have here some nature collages and I really like this size for some quick fun collages. So I want to make a few new collages together with you. I would like to finish this insert this year still, and there are still a few pages left, so I want to make some new collages and also try out some of the new stickers that are coming to my shop next week. I will show you some of them. That's not all the new stickers, there will be more and I will show them on Instagram and also send a newsletter with all the Christmas things that are coming to my shop next week. But these are some of the new stickers, and there is also a giveaway in this video. I'm celebrating 2nd anniversary of my shop this week, so I would like also to give something to you, so you can win this stickers, and also I will add some additional things to this sticker happy mail. So if you are interested, then watch this video until the end and I will tell you more about the giveaway. But first I would like to try out some of these new stickers and make a few collages. I have here a few random papers that I took out from my box with different paper scraps and some papers for collages, so I will use this for the background. And I want to make nature collages, so I think I will be using mainly this animal stickers. So first I will make some background for my collages and just will add a few random papers to the background, and then we'll start to add stickers. And I really like this craft paper inserts for collages. I think craft paper is already a nice background, but just would like to add a few more things. And this passport size is really nice for some quick collages, and if you don't have much time or just not really in the mood for making something big, this size is really nice because it's very quick and easy to make something in it, and it doesn't take much time. Usually I just add some random papers to the background and then stick some stickers, and then my collage is ready. It's very fast and fun to make, so I definitely can recommend this for collages if you like to make collages. And I think I already mentioned in some of my previous videos where I was making some collages that I don't usually plan my collages in advance. I just stick some things to my pages and then see how it goes basically. And I also want to use this VAT tape with some flowers to add to the background. This also works really well as a background. You can of course also cut out all the flowers and use them separately, but it also looks nice as a strip like this. I think now I will start to add stickers. I want to start from this animal stickers, and I already have 2 sheets of this that I prepared for myself, and I removed this white backing, like this part here, like this part here. You can easily remove it and then use tweezers for stickers, and it's kind of faster and easier. It's possible to use them in different ways. So I will add some trees, I think, and think it will be kind of mix of winter and autumn collage, I guess. Okay, let's also add one of the reindeers here. Really like this one. Let's add this reindeer and also this little birdie somewhere here. And here on this side, let's see, what do I want on this side? Maybe also a reindeer or some other animal. Or no, let's add this reindeer. This one is also really cute. Look at him, how cute. So let's add him here. Maybe this one somewhere here, or maybe even two birdies. Yeah, something like this. And I also will use this title of the sticker sheet, Woodland, and add it here. And yeah, let's say that it's winter collage, so I will use some of the small snowflakes here and there. There are a few different sizes of them. Something like this. I think it's mostly ready. Very quick and simple, but I really like how it looks, and I think I will add a few small dot stickers here and there. Really like to add some dot stickers. And then it's ready. So as you can see, it's really quick and fun, and I really enjoy making this quick collages, not really thinking too much about the end result, but it's all about enjoying the process for me. And for me, collaging is really relaxing process. I just love it. Just love to glue something down in my journal and use some stickers, and yeah, it's always really fun. Maybe I will add one more sticker somewhere here, some word or sentiment. I have this book of clippings stickers from Tim Holtz, so maybe I will add some of this somewhere here, because I feel like something is still missing here. Yeah, like this. So my first collage is ready, and for example, if you don't like white background of the stickers and would like it to blend more to this craft background, I would use some distress ink and just go over my stickers, and then they will get a bit darker. But I kind of like the contrast of craft, and so I think I will leave it like this collage will stay like this, but maybe for the next one then I will show you what I do if I want to get rid of this white background. Like if it looks too white, then I usually use this distress ink in the tea dye color. So let's make one more collage. So I will use similar papers for the background as for the previous collage, so I think my collages will look kind of similar, but it's fine. And also maybe some of this. I think I also will add some of these, a tape which is kind of like different shapes of stickers with some phrases and quotes. And again, some of these animal stickers. Let's use some other animals for this collage, not reindeers, but maybe some other animals, maybe foxes. Let's use some foxes for this collage. I think I also will use this little cutie. And I have more foxes on this sheet, so let's use a few more. And I think I will use a few of these birds again, and they're really very cute. Also we'll add this winter woodland sticker somewhere here and a few snowflakes. Let's say that it's a winter collage again. Without snowflakes it would be kind of neutral. I think could be autumn, could be spring, but I will add some snowflakes, so that's a winter collage. Okay, let's add again a sticker from this book. Usually I'm really lazy to search for something here because you have to read through it, like through a lot of them, so I kind of choose random ones quite often, like maybe not completely random ones, but just something that catches my attention first. It would be nice to find something about winter, and I'm pretty sure that there are some quotes about winter in here, but yeah, it's not so easy to find them if you want something specific. Usually it's not so easy, they're kind of hiding them. Oh, here is one about winter, which says, "The winter days passed slowly." So I will use this one over here. I think I also will add a few of these dot stickers, but bigger ones. Okay, I think I could leave it like this. I also kind of like that contrast of craft and white. I think it looks nice as well, but I will use this Distress Ink tea dye color just to show you that you can actually color these stickers a bit with the Distress Ink, that they don't stand out that much. If you want to get rid of the white border, you also can use some darker ink, of course, but I also don't want them to be too dark, so for me personally this tea dye color is the best, because it makes them kind of like a bit like a light craft paper stickers, but very light. Or of course it depends how much of the ink you actually use. You can make them lighter or darker, something like this. Now they don't stand out that much. Now they are a bit darker. I think, I don't know if you can see the big difference on camera, but I definitely can see the difference between this and this. But yeah, as I said, I kind of like both. I like the contrast of craft and white, but also sometimes if I'm in the mood for something like this, then I can easily make them a little bit darker just using some Distress Ink. So yeah, my 2 quick collages are ready. It was fast to make them and really fun, and I really liked to use these new stickers. If you would like to get a happy mail from me with these stickers, with exactly the same ones that I use here, this animal stickers, also this birthday raccoon, some cozy winter stickers, and another cute stickers with red cardinal bird. These are not available yet in my Etsy shop right now, but they will be also available already next week, together with Christmas collection with Christmas journals, and there will be many new stickers, many journals, and some ephemera sets and Christmas gift boxes and stuff like that. But You can win these stickers already now. If you would like to receive a happy mail with the stickers, you can participate in the giveaway, and all that you have to do is to be a subscriber of my YouTube channel and also like this video and write in the comments that you want to participate in this giveaway, and that's all. You don't have to share it anywhere or anything like that. Or of course, if you want to, you can share about this giveaway on your social media or send it to a friend who maybe would like to participate, but you don't have to. Just writing a comment that you participate is enough. And except for the stickers, you also will get some other things in this happy mail. I will add some winter and Christmas papers, in addition some paper ephemera and stuff like that, and I will randomly then choose a winner among all those who commented next week. And next week, in one of the videos next week, I will announce the winner, most likely on Saturday, not this Saturday but next Saturday in a week. In that video I will announce the winner, and also I will write down all the information about the giveaway in the description under this video, so you can read it. So I think that's all. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, and write a comment that you want to participate if you would like to win these stickers. I think that's all for this video. I hope you liked this little collaging video. It was fun for me. It's always very relaxing for me and some kind of like meditation, or for me to make this little collages, especially if it's something nature related or travel related. And it was fun to try out these new stickers. So I hope it was interesting for you and inspiring, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos. Bye!